So with your drone, you should have got these two extra cables. There's a USB-C to USB-C, and there's another one right here, which you would use for your Androids. So most of you would use this cable if you have an Android, or the one that's already on your controller itself is this other cable, which is for iPhones. So here we go. So all we had to do was pull it out, and this end will go right into your iPhone. Now, in order to change the wire, let's say you guys have an Android or anything else like that, we can just pull this out. So pull both tabs out. So first pull this tab out, and then on the other end you will see this guy. So pull that out as well. It's gonna be a little tricky to pull this out, but it should just come out, and that's USB-C. So here is my Android cable, and what I'm gonna do is just plug in the USB-C right here. And as you guys can see, this would go onto my Android if that was the case. However, right now we're just gonna set it up with an iPhone, so I'm just gonna use this cable for now. Just gonna make sure that's nice and tucked in there. So at this point in time, you should see this. Now I'm still charging the remote, so it's almost done. Once it's ready, then I'm gonna plug in my phone. I'm just gonna place it underneath here. So all I have to do is just put this up a little bit, and then it's gonna go nice and tight in here. And that would be it for this setup video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.